Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to solve addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of surds. If you really want to learn all the concepts of surds, stay till the end of the video. And do not forget to like and leave a comment in the comment section. Now let's understand how to multiply the surds first. Now since the surds are root 5 into root 20. So if I have to multiply this, what I will do, I will write on square root of, and then within the square root I will write on the numbers 5 into 20. So I will get it equals to 100, and 100 is a perfect square of 10. So 100 can be written as 10 into 10 within the square root, and which is equals to 10. Similarly, for part B, I will write on square root of. So whatever the digits were there within the square root, we'll write on those 11 into 10, and then we will multiply and we'll get it equals to 110. Now similarly in part C, there is a number outside the square root, which is 7, and here we have 4. So what we will do, we will write on 7 into 4 first, then into square root of. Whatever the digits were there within the square root, we will write on those 2 into 11. So the answer is 28 root 22. After this, in part D also, we have the numbers outside the square root 3, 2, and 2. So we'll write them together 3 into 2 into 2 into square root of, then the terms which were there within the square root 2, 6, and 3. We'll write on those 2 into 6 into 3. We will get it equals to 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and then square root of 2 6 are 12, 12 3s are 36. We'll write on that. 36 is a perfect square of 6. So final answer is 12 root 6. Now let's understand how to divide the surds. Root 21 divided by root 7 can be written as root 21 by root 7. And if I have to write it together, I can write it as root only once, 21 over 7, which is equals to root 3. Similarly, for part B, it's root 48 divided by root 2. It can be written as 48 by root 2. And if I have to write it together, I can write it as 48 over 2, which is equals to root 24. So whenever we are getting a value in the answer, we have to see, is it in the simplified form? If it is not in the simplified form, we have to simplify it. So 24, if I have to simplify, first I will make the prime factors of it. 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So I can write root 24 as square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is a pair. I can write on 2 outside, and within the square root it will be 2 into 3 left. So the final answer is 2 root 6. Similarly for part C, now we have a numbers outside the square root. So we will solve them separately, and the numbers which are there within the square root, we will solve them separately like we did in the multiplication. So it can be written as 4 by 2 and then root 6 by root 2. So 4 by 2 is 2. We can write it as 6 over 2, which is equals to 2 root 3. Similarly, we can solve the part D. So here 9 by 3 I can write down, and then 15 by 3, which is equals to 3 root 5. Hopefully you understand how to multiply and divide the surds. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's understand how to add the surds. So whenever we have to add the surds, we have to see whatever the number is given within the square root, is it in the simplified form? If it is not in the simplified form, we have to change it into the simplified form. So for that, we have to find out the prime factors of the numbers which are given within the square root. So if I have to make the factors of 8, I will get 2 4s are, then 2 2s are, and then 2 1s are. Similarly, 18 also, we have to find 2 9s are, then 3 3s are, and then 3 1s are. So 8 can be written as square root of 2 into 2 into 2, and 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. Now it is a pair of 2, it is a pair of 3. We can write on only one digit outside, then root 2 is left, Here we will write down 3 outside, root 2 is left. Now they have the same surds. So 2 plus 3 will do 5 and then root 2. It's just similar to 2a plus 3a. If we have the same variable, we will add the digits. So the answer is 5a. Similarly, if there are the same surds, we have to add these numbers and then we will write the surd only once and we will get our answer. Similarly, for part B, now 1000. 1000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10. And if I have to find out the factors for 90, I can write it as 3 into 3 into 10. So you can see here, we have a one pair of 10. We'll write on 10 outside. What is left? Root 10 plus. Here we have a pair of 3. We will write on 3 outside. What is left? 10 is left. So then 10 plus 3, 13, and we will write on the surd only once. So the answer is 13 root 10. Similarly, in this question, I have to find out what are the prime factors of 175. So I will divide it with 5, I will get 35, then again I will divide it with 5, 7, 7, 1s are 7. So I can write it as is equals to 10 root 7 plus 2. Now I will write 175 as 5 into 5 into 7. 5 is a pair. So we can write it as plus 2. Now if I have to write on this 5 outside, I will multiply this with 2 and then 7 is left. So 10 root 7. So 2 into 5 is 10 root 7. So 10 plus 10 is 20 and we write down root 7 along with it. So this is how we can add the surds. In the subtraction also, we have to do the same. Only this positive sign will change to negative. So let's understand those kind of questions also. Now in your part A, the 348 they have given. So we have to find out the prime factors of these two numbers. So let's find out 2, 150, 2, 75, 3, 25, 5, 5, 5 and 1. Similarly, 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So if I have to write down, I will write it as square root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 minus again a square root 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is a pair, this is a pair, this is a pair, this is a pair. What is left now? First we will write down 2 into 5. Square root of 3 is left minus 2 into 2, then root 3. So we'll get 10 root 3 minus 4 root 3. Now we have to subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6 root 3 is the answer. Similarly, in the second part, we have 200 and then 18. First, let's find out the prime factors. 200, 250, 225, 5, 5, 5 and 1. Similarly, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3 and 1. So we'll write down here is equals to square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 minus 3, 2 into 3 into 3. Now this is a pair, this is a pair, this is a pair. So we can write it as 2 into 5 outside, then root 2 minus 3 is already outside. One more 3 we will write down square root of 2. So 2 5s are 10, 10 root 2 minus 9 root 2. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 root 2. So if you don't want to write down this 1, it is okay. If you want to write down 1 outside, then also it's okay. This is equals to root 2. This is how we can solve the questions related to the surds. If you find the video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.